Hello guys, good morning. Look. Oops. Look, it's so pretty. It's beautiful. Nandito kami sa garden. Naglilinis. Look at this guys, so pretty. Look at that beautiful rose. And there's more buds. And there's more here. And look at here. There's more buds here. This one is so pretty. Spring season na gid guys, namumulaklak na yung mga roses ko. See, yung ganda no. It's beautiful. I like this one. It's yellow. And this one here. Look, there's lots. But this one is not for flower vase. But I like the color, yellow. And then later guys, pag ano na June, summer na, ano na ito, mawala na itong mga flowers. Parang dalawang beses lang ito mag bloom. So pretty.